Is News Channel
5 a.m. It's Wednesday, June 8th. I'm Gary Libator, meteorologist Hannah Evans, joining us here on this Wednesday morning to get us going. And a little bit of rain last night, not too bad, but I did get woken up probably around midnight or so to some thunderstorms.
Yes, we did see a few weaker thunderstorms move through. I didn't get woken up though, I was dead asleep. But the rain is clearing out here this morning, and then we will see sunshine later on, which is
Sunshine is back.
Yes, so let's take a look now at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. We are tracking those rain showers moving out into the east this morning. We are mostly dry at this point, but we are still seeing mostly cloudy skies and patchy fog. Our temperature is a little bit cooler. We are in the 50s. We will rise just to the low 70s today, but again, we are going to be seeing sunshine later on this afternoon. So we will continue to dry out today. Those clouds will decrease, but we are going to see an increase in clouds overnight, and rain returns early tomorrow morning. And after tomorrow, we will continue to see on and off rain showers for the weekend. But as for today, a decrease in clouds is expected. High temperatures reaching the low 70s. And I will be talking a little bit more about the rain coming in tomorrow coming up. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. Decision 2020.
New York's most dependable weather team. Here's meteorologist Hannah Evans.
Good morning, everybody, and welcome back. We are seeing mostly cloudy skies this morning, but those clouds will decrease for sunshine by the afternoon. Let's take a look at our Mirabito Tower camera overlooking Oneonta. Mostly cloudy skies, still a bit dark outside because of these clouds, and it is a little bit cooler this morning with our temperatures in the 50s. On the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar, we see those rain showers has since moved out of our area. We are mostly dry at this point. The cold front has moved through, allowing for cooler temperatures this morning and even cooler temperatures by this afternoon. So right now we are looking at temperatures in the 50s. We have 57 degrees in Dowdesville, 58 degrees in Little Falls, and 56 degrees in Whitesboro. Looking to the south, we have 55 degrees in Norwich and in Hamilton here this morning. And our chance of rain today is going to be low. We are going to see a decrease in clouds for some sunshine by the afternoon, with highs reaching the low 70s. So not really looking at any rain today since that cold front moved through. Overnight tonight into the early morning hours of tomorrow, another low pressure system is going to approach us, allowing for widespread rain tomorrow morning, turning into scattered showers throughout the afternoon and evening, and then we will clear out once again heading into Friday. So if you did want to mow your lawn, I would definitely recommend doing it later on today. Grass is still a bit wet this morning, early afternoon, because of the rain that we did see yesterday. Definitely a no for tomorrow. We will see widespread rain in the morning, turning into scattered showers in the afternoon, but then that will dry out as we head into Friday once again. So mostly cloudy skies are here this morning. Breezy conditions once again today. Temperatures are in the 50s at this point. A decrease in clouds will occur throughout the afternoon, and high temperatures will reach the low 70s. Heading into tonight, we will see an increase in clouds once again, and widespread rain takes over for early tomorrow morning. That rain turns into scattered showers throughout the afternoon and evening hours before clearing out tomorrow evening. High temperatures tomorrow only in the upper 60s. Into Friday, the sunshine will return once again. We will be seeing partly cloudy skies, a little bit cooler with highs just right near 70 once again. So for today, we will see a decrease in clouds throughout the day. Sunshine later on, highs reaching the low 70s. And tonight, an increase in clouds with some rain showers coming in early tomorrow morning. So widespread rain takes over for the morning of tomorrow, turning into scattered showers for the afternoon, clearing out in the evening. Sunshine returns on Friday. It does remain a little bit cool, and we are looking at on and off showers for the weekend. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. Citron is moving forward with the building of a cabin for vets.
Saying good morning to Fairfield and all of the greater Utica region. So we are going to be dry for today from rain, but tomorrow we will be seeing most of our rain in the morning, turning into scattered showers for the afternoon. We will dry out once again on Friday, and then for the weekend, we will be seeing on and off scattered showers for both Saturday and Sunday. So we have been a little bit cool on average for our temperatures. Even today, highs just in the low 70s. Tomorrow, we will be in the upper 60s, and then we will remain in the low 70s, upper 60s. But then looking ahead 6 to 10 days from now, it does look like we will be back to around average temperatures in our area, which looks to be in the mid 70s for this time of year. I'll have a look at your commute forecast coming up. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. A traffic alert is happening right as Wednesday, June 8th. I'm Gary Libator, meteorologist Hannah Evans, joining us to start this half hour off once again. And on this Wednesday, well, it's going to be nicer than yesterday, right?
Yes, we will start to see a decrease in clouds this afternoon, and we will be seeing sunshine later on.
Welcome back.
Yes, welcome back to the sunshine. Let's take a look at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 at Doppler radar. That rain that we were seeing yesterday and last night has since moved out, and our area is dry right now, but we are still seeing mostly cloudy skies. These clouds will decrease throughout the day, and our temperature does look to warm up to the low 70s. So we will continue to dry out to sunshine this afternoon, but we are going to see another increase in clouds overnight, and rain returns early tomorrow morning. So we will be seeing rain for tomorrow, sunshine once again Friday, and once again for the weekend, on and off rain for those days. But as for today, we do look to remain dry, sunshine coming in this afternoon, highs reaching the low 70s, and then we'll be talking a little bit more about the rain coming in tomorrow coming up. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. Decision 2022, the two Democrats.
York's most dependable weather team. Here's meteorologist Hannah Evans.
Good morning, everybody. We are seeing mostly cloudy skies this morning, but these clouds will decrease throughout the day for sunshine later on. So let's take a look at our Mirabito Tower camera overlooking Oneonta. Clouds are already starting to decrease this morning, but we are waking up a little bit cooler than yesterday. Our temperatures at this point are in the 50s. On our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar, once again, tracking dry conditions at this point. The rain and a few thunderstorms that we did see last night has since cleared out because that cold front has moved through. But since the cold front moved through, we are starting out a little bit cooler this morning, and we will be a little bit cooler for the high temperature today. So right now we are in the 50s. We have 56 degrees in Dowdesville and in Whitesboro, and 57 degrees in Westmoreland. Looking to the south, we have 55 degrees in Hamilton and in Norwich. We will reach high temperatures in the low 70s today, and those clouds will decrease for sunshine later on. So the chance of rain remains at low today, not looking to see any precipitation. But as we head into the overnight hours into early tomorrow morning, it does look like we are going to be seeing widespread rain in the morning. It is going to be pretty brief, only lasting for an hour or two, turning into scattered showers for the rest of the day into the afternoon, and then clearing out in the evening, and we look to remain dry as we head into Friday. So if you did want to do any yard work or mow your lawn, I would say yes for later on today. Grass is still pretty wet this morning from the rain that since just moved through last night. No for tomorrow, since we will be seeing widespread rain in the morning and then afternoon scattered showers. But we do dry out tomorrow evening, so definitely yes if you want to get a head start on that on Friday before the weekend. But we are going to be seeing mostly cloudy skies this morning. It is a little bit cooler with temperatures in the 50s. Those clouds will decrease by the afternoon with high temperatures in the low 70s to partly cloudy skies. And tonight we will see an increase in clouds once again as another low pressure system approaches us. So we will start out with widespread rain tomorrow morning for all of us. That turns into scattered showers in the afternoon, looking to clear out by the evening. Heading into Friday, we will see sunshine once again. It will be a little bit cooler, highs just right near 70 with partly cloudy skies. But as for today, we will see a decrease in clouds this morning for sunshine in the afternoon, highs in the low 70s, and an increase in clouds with some rain coming in early tomorrow morning with a low in the 50s. So it does look like widespread rain for tomorrow morning at first, turning into a few scattered showers in the afternoon and evening. A little bit cooler tomorrow, highs just in the upper 60s. Sunshine returns on Friday, and rain is looking to be on and off for the weekend. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. After years of sitting abandoned.
Welcome back. We do look to remain dry with some sunshine later on today. So if you did want to grill or eat dinner outside, definitely yes for today and Friday. But tomorrow we are going to be seeing morning widespread rain with scattered showers lasting into the afternoon and evening. But with this rain that we are seeing, if you do have allergies, it is good news because the pollen count is going to be at a medium level today and low for Thursday and Friday. This is because all the rain that we have been seeing has been pretty low. But once again, we are seeing sunshine for today. So if you are heading outside within the afternoon hours, we are going to be at a pretty high UV index of 7. So make sure you're wearing sunscreen because you can definitely burn with the sunshine today. I'll have a look at the commute forecast coming up. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. There's Graham. It's Wednesday, June 8th. I'm Gary Libator, meteorologist Hannah Evans, joining us here on this hump day to get us started. And the good news is that no rain today, right?
Yes, we are going to be seeing sunshine later on, and we are dried out from the rain yesterday, which is good.
Some thunderstorms late last night, though.
Yes, you heard them. I didn't hear them. I was asleep.
Yeah, I got woke up, which I normally don't do. So.
Yes, we did see a few weak thunderstorms and rain showers yesterday, but we'll be good today.
Good.
So let's take a look now at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. The rain and the thunderstorms from yesterday and last night have since cleared out, and we are remaining dry but mostly cloudy this morning. A little bit cooler as well. Our temperatures are in the 50s right now, but we do look to rise to the low 70s today and see a decrease in clouds. We are going to be drying out to sunshine this afternoon, but rain returns early tomorrow morning. It does look like we are going to be seeing some more rain showers throughout the day tomorrow, and even on and off rain for the weekend. But for today, expect sunshine later on, highs reaching the low 70s, and they will be talking a little bit more about the rain tomorrow coming up. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. Decision 20.
New York's most dependable weather team. Here's meteorologist Hannah Evans.
Good morning, everybody, and welcome back. We are seeing mostly cloudy skies to start this morning, but clouds will decrease throughout the day for sunshine later on. So let's take a look now at some of our Mesonet cameras across central New York. We are looking at mostly cloudy skies for most of us. A few peaks of sunshine here and there, and it is a little bit chilly to start. With our temperatures at this point in the 50s, we will be seeing sunshine and we will warm up later on. So here's a look now at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar, tracking dry conditions at this point across our viewing area. The rain and the few thunderstorms that we did see yesterday and last night has since moved out, but it is still a bit damp outside this morning. This cold front has passed through us. That means that the rain is over with for today. It is going to be a little bit chilly this morning, temperatures in the 50s, and we are only looking to rise to the low 70s for the high temperature today. So according to our sky watchers, we are all in the 50s. We have 53 degrees in Old Forge and 56 degrees in New Hartford and in Clinton. Looking to the south, we have 55 degrees in Evanston and 59 degrees in Lawrence this morning. But once again, the rain is over with for today. We are going to be dry and see sunshine later on, so there is a very low chance of seeing any rain showers today. Heading into the overnight hours into early tomorrow morning, another low pressure system is going to approach us. That is going to bring widespread rain tomorrow morning, turning into scattered showers for the afternoon and then clearing out for the evening. We look to remain dry with sunshine once again on Friday. But if you did want to do any yard work or mow your lawn, I would definitely say later on today. It's a little bit damp out this morning. The grass is still going to be wet for the morning. No for tomorrow because we are seeing widespread rain in the morning with scattered showers in the afternoon. And Friday we will be dry with sunshine, so it will be a good day on Friday to get a jump start on that before the weekend. We are tracking mostly cloudy skies this morning. It is a little bit cooler. Temperatures are in the 50s at this point. Clouds will decrease throughout the afternoon, highs reaching the low 70s with partly cloudy skies. Tonight, we will see an increase in clouds once again, and widespread rain looks to come in earlier on tomorrow morning. That looks to last just for the morning hours, turning into scattered showers for the afternoon. Looking to clear out by the evening, but chillier tomorrow, temperatures just in the 60s. For Friday, we will start to see those clouds decrease once again, partly cloudy skies. Highs are going to be right near 70. As for today, we are tracking a decrease in clouds, highs reaching the low 70s with sunshine later on, and an increase in clouds once again overnight with that rain coming in early tomorrow morning. So it does look to be widespread for the morning tomorrow, then turning into scattered showers for the afternoon, highs just in the upper 60s. Sunshine returns on Friday, and we do look to see on and off rain showers for the weekend. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. Citron is moving.
We're saying good morning to Fairfield and all of the greater Utica region. We look to remain dry today. We are going to be seeing sunshine later on. Then we will be seeing widespread rain tomorrow morning, but throughout the day, the afternoon, it will turn into scattered showers. We look to dry out once again for Friday, and for the weekend, we are going to be seeing on and off rain showers for Saturday and Sunday. So because of this rain and these cold front that is moving through, it has been a little bit chilly. Highs today just reaching the low 70s. We will just be in the upper 60s for tomorrow and Saturday. But looking ahead, for 6 to 10 days from now, we do look to remain back to normal in high temperatures, and that looks to be in the mid to upper 70s for this time of year. I'll have a look at your commute forecast coming up. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. Here's quite a Wednesday, June 8th. I'm Gary Libator, meteorologist Hannah Evans, joining us here on this hump day to get us over the hump, and we are going to get over that hump nicely, right?
Yes, so we are seeing cloudy skies this morning, but we will be seeing sunshine later and temperatures reaching the low 70s.
Yeah, and some thunderstorms woke a lot of people up last night.
Yeah, I know it woke you up. Did not wake me up. I'm a heavy sleeper.
Good for you.
So let's take a look now at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar, tracking dry conditions at this point. That rain and those thunderstorms that we did see last night have since cleared out, but we are starting out a little bit cooler this morning. Temperatures in the 50s. It is still a bit damp outside. We will dry out to sunshine later on, highs reaching the low 70s. So once again, we will be seeing sunshine today, but rain does return early tomorrow morning ahead of another low pressure system, and we will be dry on Friday, but on and off rain comes in for the weekend. As for today, we will be seeing sunshine later on. We will remain dry, highs reaching the low 70s, and they will be talking a little bit more about the rain tomorrow coming up. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. Decision 2020.
Most dependable weather team. Here's meteorologist Hannah Evans.
Good morning, everybody. We are starting out mostly cloudy this morning, but we will be seeing a decrease in clouds for sunshine this afternoon. Let's take a look now at some of our Mesonet cameras across central New York. We are looking at mostly cloudy skies in most of them, a few peaks of sunshine here and there, like in Lawrence, and we will continue to see these clouds decrease for partly cloudy skies this afternoon. We are also dried out on our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. The rain and the few thunderstorms that we did see yesterday and last night has since moved out along with the cold front. So as this cold front passed through, we are starting out a little bit chilly this morning because of that, and we will not get as warm today with just high temperatures in the low 70s. So according to our sky watchers, we are in the 50s this morning, so a little bit cooler than yesterday. We have 57 degrees in Westdale and 53 degrees in Old Forge. Looking to the south, we have 55 degrees in West Lawrence and in Edmiston, and 58 degrees in Morris here this morning. So the chance of rain today is low. We are not looking to see any precipitation. We will be seeing that sunshine come in later on this morning and afternoon, but another low pressure system is going to approach us overnight tonight, bringing in widespread rain early tomorrow morning, and then turning into scattered showers for the afternoon, clearing out by the evening. The sunshine looks to return for Friday. So if you did want to do any yard work or maybe mow your lawn, I would definitely say do it later on today because we are still a bit damp outside this morning. The grass is still a little wet. No for tomorrow, since we are going to be seeing widespread rain tomorrow morning, turning into scattered showers in the afternoon. But we do clear out in the evening, and we look to see sunshine on Friday. So maybe do it on Friday and get a jump start ahead of the weekend. But for this morning, we are still seeing mostly cloudy skies. skies. It is a bit cooler with our temperatures in the 50s. Clouds will decrease throughout the day with high temperatures reaching the low 70s, seeing some sunshine later on. Tonight we will see an increase in clouds once again ahead of a low pressure system, and widespread rain looks to come in tomorrow morning, causing for tricky travel issues if you are commuting tomorrow morning. This will turn into scattered showers for the rest of the afternoon. It looks to clear out by the evening, but it is going to be a little bit cooler tomorrow, highs just in the 60s. We will dry out for Friday, seeing partly cloudy skies and dry conditions, high temperatures right near 70, so remaining a little bit cool on Friday. As for today, we will reach the low 70s for the high temperature, and we will see a decrease in clouds throughout the day. Tonight, an increase in clouds once again with rain coming in early tomorrow morning. So it starts out as widespread rain tomorrow morning for the commute, so be careful of that. Turning into scattered showers in the afternoon, looking to clear out by the evening. A little cooler with highs just in the upper 60s. Sunshine returns on Friday, highs in the low 70s, and on and off rain showers come in for the weekend. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. After years of...
Welcome back. We are going to be dry today, seeing some sunshine later on. So it would be a nice day to eat dinner outside or maybe grill today and Friday. I would definitely just say no for tomorrow. We're looking at widespread rain in the morning, turning into scattered showers in the afternoon. So with this rain that we have been seeing, the pollen count is down. So that is good news if you have allergy. We will just be at a medium level for today and at a low level for tomorrow and for Friday. But if you do go outside today, we are looking to see sunshine by this afternoon with a higher UV index of about 7. That is going to be between the hours of 12 and 3. So if you do go outside and you don't wear sunscreen, you could get burnt. So make sure you're wearing sunscreen for today. I'll have a look at the day planner coming up. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. There's great news for anyone. It is 7 a.m. It's Wednesday, June 8th. I'm Gary Libitor, meteorologist Hannah Evans, joining us here on this Wednesday morning to get us started. And she is getting us started once again with some more good news.
Yes, so we are drying out today from the rain, and we will be seeing sunshine this afternoon.
Boy, I just love it when you bring us that news.
Yes, it is going to turn out to be a pretty nice day. So let's take a look now at the bus stop forecast. We are starting out mostly cloudy for this morning. Temperatures a little bit cooler. We are in the 50s, but we will reach the low 70s and see sunshine by the afternoon. So for today, expect a decrease in clouds, temperatures reaching the low 70s. And tonight, we will see an increase in clouds once again, and rain starts early tomorrow morning. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. Decision 2022, the first official debate in New York.
Welcome back. Here's a live look at our Mirabito Tower camera overlooking Oneonta. We are seeing mostly cloudy skies still this morning, a few peaks of sunshine, but we are going to see a decrease in clouds throughout the day for sunshine. So we will remain dry today, but our next low pressure system approaches us overnight, bringing in showers for tomorrow. Dry once again on Friday, and on and off rain showers come back in for the weekend. So for today, expect highs to reach the low 70s. We are going to see a decrease in clouds for sunshine later on. And tonight, later on in the overnight hours, that rain will start with a low in the 50s. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. Citron is...
Welcome back. We are tracking a decrease in clouds today for sunshine later on. Let's take a look now at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. We are mostly dry, a few isolated showers up north, but we do look to remain dry today with sunshine coming in later on. But we will remain a little bit chilly. We are in the 50s this morning, only looking to rise to the low 70s since that cold front has moved through. But if you are going to be enjoying the sunshine later, our UV index is going to be at a 7, which is a pretty high level, so make sure you are wearing protection when heading outside between the hours of noon and 3. So we are going to be drying out today to sunshine later on, but we are going to be seeing some more rain returning early tomorrow and throughout the day. And this weekend, we will continue to see on and off rain showers. So for today, expect a decrease in clouds for sunshine and highs reaching the lower 70s. Back to you, Gary.
Nice day ahead.
Yes, it should be nice.
Hannah, thanks. After years of sitting abandoned and then this massive fire...
New York's most dependable weather team. Here's meteorologist Hannah Evans.
Good morning, everybody, and welcome back. We are seeing mostly cloudy skies this morning, but clouds will decrease for sunshine later on. Let's take a look now at our Mesonet cameras across central New York. We are looking at, once again, mostly cloudy skies, but a few peaks of sunshine starting to come out, like in Brookfield here this morning. We will see these clouds decrease and sunshine this afternoon. On our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar right now, we are seeing mostly dry conditions with the exception of a few isolated showers up north, but we do look to remain mostly dry today since this cold front has since moved through. But it is starting out a bit chilly this morning with temperatures just in the 50s. So we have temperatures in the 50s from our sky watchers, 56 degrees in Clinton and New Hartford and 57 degrees in Westdale. Looking to the south, 56 degrees in Cooperstown and Milford and 59 degrees in Lawrence. So we will remain at a low chance of rain for today. Sunshine later on, highs reaching the low 70s. But come overnight tonight into early tomorrow morning, another low pressure system will approach us, bringing widespread rain tomorrow morning, turning into scattered showers throughout the day and ending in the evening. Sunshine looks to return once again on Friday with dry conditions. So if you did want to do any yard work or mow your lawn, I would recommend doing it later on this afternoon once the grass and everything has dried out. It is still a little bit damp this morning. No for tomorrow, since we will see that widespread rain with scattered showers in the afternoon. And Friday, yes, we will be dry with sunshine. Will be a good day on Friday to get a head start on the weekend. So we are seeing mostly cloudy skies this morning, a bit cooler with temperatures in the 50s. These clouds will decrease throughout the afternoon. Highs are going to reach the low 70s, and we will be seeing some sunshine later on. But we will see an increase in clouds once again tonight ahead of another low pressure system. And early tomorrow morning, this rain looks to be widespread, so be careful if you are commuting early tomorrow. This rain will turn into scattered showers into the afternoon, looking to end by the evening, but it is going to remain pretty chilly tomorrow with highs just in the upper 60s. Heading into Friday, those clouds will decrease. It looks like a pretty nice day on Friday with partly cloudy skies. A little bit cooler, though, with high temperatures reaching right near 70. But as for today, we will start to see a decrease in cloud cover with sunshine later on, highs reaching the low 70s. And tonight, an increase in clouds once again with rain coming in early tomorrow morning, a low in the 50s. So this rain tomorrow morning is going to be widespread, so be careful if you are doing your morning commute. Turning into scattered showers in the afternoon, highs in the upper 60s. Sunshine returns for the day on Friday, and on and off rain showers look to come in for the weekend.
Walking weather today. Here's meteorologist Hannah Evans.
We are tracking a decrease in clouds here this afternoon, but still is just a little bit chilly outside with our temperatures at this point in the 60s. So let's take a look at our Mesonet cameras across central New York. Once again, clouds are starting to clear out. If we look at Westmoreland, Springfield, Brookfield, we are starting to see those blue skies. We will be partly cloudy by later on this afternoon. And we are dry on the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. Not looking to see any more rain for today. So we will continue to dry out to see sunshine this afternoon. We will warm up to the low 70s for the high temperature by later on this afternoon. But we are going to be seeing some heavier rain returning early tomorrow morning for the commute. We've had issued a Storm Tracker 2 alert day for tomorrow morning due to this heavy rain during the commute. And we will clear out once again for Friday, but on and off rain showers come back in for the weekend. But as for today, we are going to see partly cloudy skies, highs reaching the low 70s, and I will be talking a little bit more about that alert day that has been issued for tomorrow coming up. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. Parents of
York's most dependable weather team. Here's meteorologist Hannah Evans.
Good afternoon, everybody, and welcome back. We are starting to see a decrease in clouds this afternoon with our temperatures right now in the 60s. Let's take a look at the Mirabito Tower camera overlooking Oneonta. Starting to see some blue skies. We will turn to see partly cloudy skies by later on this afternoon as our high temperatures reach the low 70s. On the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar, We are now tracking dry conditions across our viewing area, not looking at any precipitation at this point, but we are continuing to see more clouds than sun, but those clouds are since clearing off into the east. It is a little bit breezy outside as well this afternoon. Our temperatures are mainly in the 60s, with the exception of Old Forge at 58 degrees, Mohawk at 69 degrees, and Cassville and Otsego both at 65 degrees. We will reach the low 70s today, turning out to be a pretty nice afternoon. But things do change come tomorrow morning. Another low pressure system will approach us. We will start to see widespread rain for the morning commute tomorrow. The timing looks to be between 4 and 8 a.m. It is going to be heavy at times, causing ponding on the roadways, and we could be seeing possible flooding issues. So we have issued a Storm Tracker 2 alert day for tomorrow morning because of this. So here's a look at the rainfall accumulation. This is 3 a.m., nothing yet, but then as we head into 8 a.m., we were looking at some areas looking at over an inch of rain of accumulation, especially west and south of Utica. So we will continue to keep an eye out on that. Over an inch of accumulation does cause some concern for some flooding, and then by noon we could be seeing even more than that. So we are going to keep an eye out on that tomorrow, and that is why we've issued a Storm Tracker 2 alert day for the morning hours of tomorrow, because that is when the heaviest rain is going to fall, turning into scattered showers in the afternoon. But for today, we are dry. High temperatures will reach the low 70s, seeing more sunshine later on. So once again tonight, as a low pressure system approaches us, we will be seeing mostly cloudy skies, and then widespread rain looks to come in between 4 and 8 a.m. tomorrow, becoming heavy at times. This will clear out for the afternoon, just starting to see a few scattered showers. No more heavy rain for the afternoon hours of tomorrow. It is going to remain a bit cool, highs just in the upper 60s, and we will dry out tomorrow evening. Friday is a different story. We do dry out, see partly cloudy skies, and high temperatures right near 70. But as for today, our high temperatures are going to be in the low 70s. We will see a decrease in clouds throughout this afternoon, and tonight a low in the 50s. We will start to see that rain coming in around 4 a.m. So tomorrow has been issued as a Storm Tracker 2 alert day due to widespread heavy rain for the morning commute. It looks to turn into scattered showers for the afternoon and clear out by the evening. The sunshine returns on Friday. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. The FDA's advisory is meteorologist Hannah Evans.
We are tracking a decrease in clouds this afternoon, but it still is just a little bit chilly outside. Our temperatures are in the 60s. Let's take a look at the Mesonet cameras across New York, central New York. We are once again seeing a few areas of blue skies, like in Westmoreland, Morrisville, Brookfield. We will continue to see these clouds decrease for partly cloudy skies later on this afternoon. We are also dry on our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar and look to remain dry for the rest of the day, but tomorrow is a different story. We will see rain return early tomorrow morning for the morning commute. Could be heavy at times, cause ponding on the roadways, could be seeing some flooding issues, so we have issued a Storm Tracker 2 alert day for tomorrow morning. We will clear out for Friday, but then on and off rain showers return for the weekend. So for today, expect to see some sunshine, highs reaching the low 70s. I will be talking a little bit more about that alert day tomorrow morning coming up. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. The TSA.
New York's most dependable weather team. Here's meteorologist Hannah Evans.
Good afternoon, everybody, and welcome back. We are starting to see a decrease in clouds this afternoon with our temperatures right now in the 60s. So let's take a look at the Mirabito Tower camera overlooking Oneonta. We will continue to see a decrease in clouds to partly cloudy skies later on, and our high temperatures will reach the low 70s. On the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 at Doppler radar, we are now tracking dry conditions in our viewing area. The rain from yesterday has since moved out, and we are starting to see a decrease in clouds. Those clouds are moving out into the east as well, with breezy conditions outside. Temperatures right now are in the 60s, so still is just a little bit chilly. We will rise to the low 70s today for the high. 58 degrees in Old Forge, 63 degrees in Cooperstown, and 69 degrees in Mohawk. So although we are dry today, it is going to be a different story tomorrow. We have issued a Storm Tracker 2 alert day for tomorrow morning because we will be seeing widespread rain for the morning commute hours. Looks to be between 4 and 8 a.m. in the morning. It is going to be heavy at times, times, causing ponding on the roadways and possible flooding issues. So that is why we issued a Storm Tracker 2 alert day. We are going to continue to keep an eye out on it. But here's a look at one of the models for rainfall accumulation. This is at 8 a.m., already looking like a little bit over an inch in the west and southern parts outside of Utica. So we are keeping an eye out on that. And then fast forward it even to noon, we were looking at almost 2 inches of rain in some areas, especially west of Utica. So this could be causing flooding issues and brings up some concerns for flooding. That is why we've issued a Storm Tracker 2 alert day for tomorrow morning. But the rain looks to become scattered in the afternoon. It's just going to be heavy and widespread in the morning. So let's take a look at that on the Skycast. We will continue to see a decrease in clouds for partly cloudy skies this afternoon. Highs reaching the low 70s. Overnight, we will see an increase in clouds, and that rain looks to arrive between 4 and 8 a.m. It is going to be widespread and it is going to be heavy, so we are keeping an eye out on that. But after 8 a.m., it does become scattered, and into the afternoon hours, looks to just be a few scattered showers. Temperatures are only going to be in the upper 60s tomorrow, so it is going to remain a bit cool. We will clear out tomorrow evening, and into the overnight hours, those clouds will start to decrease into Friday. Partly cloudy skies on Friday. High temperatures are just going to be right near 70. So as for today, our high temperatures are in the low 70s. We will continue to see those clouds decrease. Tonight, a low in the 50s. We will see an increase in clouds, and rain begins at around 4 a.m. early tomorrow morning. So we have issued a Storm Tracker 2 alert day for tomorrow due to widespread heavy rain during the morning commute between the hours of 4 and 8 a.m. Could be causing ponding on the roadways and possible flooding issues. We look to dry out on Friday. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. A new tech company is teaming.
Look at the forecast. We have meteorologist Eric Gage trekking in the Weather Center tonight.
And looking at beautiful conditions, a big difference compared to last night, raining conditions across the state. But looking ahead towards this evening, mostly sunny skies, increasing clouds. Live look outside our Cabby Tower camera overlooking the city of Utica. We're seeing clouds across the area, but overall beautiful conditions right now in the evening. Live look at our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. Things are looking dry across the region right now. Current temperature is 73 degrees in the Utica-Rome region. Dew point is in the 50s, so currently we are in a refreshing category for humidity across central New York right now. Headlines: will be warm and dry this evening. We're tracking rainfall arriving early tomorrow morning, and because of this heavy set of rainfall, we're making tomorrow a Storm Tracker 2 alert day. More on that coming up this evening, though. Temperatures in the 60s, breaking down what to expect for temperatures as well as the rainfall for tomorrow coming up. Back to you.
All right, Eric, thank you. A $41 million.
New York's most dependable weather team. Here's meteorologist Eric Gage.
Evening and welcome back. A beautiful day across central New York this evening. Temperatures in the upper 60s to low 70s across the region with partly cloudy skies. A live look outside our Cooperstown camera. We got beautiful skies across the region right now. Light breeze as well. Look across the state too. Blue skies with some clouds moving across the area, mainly some cumulus clouds, so nothing to see any sort of precipitation, at least for the next hours, or the next couple of hours heading into tonight. Live look at a Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. Things are looking dry across the board, a bit busy compared to a bit less busy compared to yesterday, but overall things are looking dry. In our satellite, clearing clouds. We're expecting more cloud cover as we head into this evening and tonight, as we head more mostly cloudy conditions as we head into later on tonight. Beautiful evening to walk the dog. Temperatures going to be in the lower 70s to upper 60s. A beautiful evening once again. Tonight's featured dog is Joey from Sequoia. If you want to be part of this, head to Bill's Buddies on Facebook. Now, the bigger story, tomorrow morning, we've issued a Storm Tracker 2 alert day for widespread rain, primarily for the morning commute. This could be heavy at times, and there could be some possible flooding with areas that have poor drainage. More on that, explaining what's going to be happening tomorrow. I want to explain why we issued tomorrow as a Storm Tracker 2 alert day. So currently, these are the conditions across the state right now. Looking ahead towards the northeast as well, this cold front that brought us some late thunderstorms across the area last night is moving out to the east. We're tracking a warm front. Now, normally this would kind of move up over towards Canada. However, we have a high pressure system that is up to the north right now. And what this is going to do is this is going to squeeze this low pressure into our area, releasing a lot of moisture and a lot of rain as we head into this evening, heading into tomorrow. But overall, it's going to be rainy, it's going to be breezy. And here's what to expect for timing as we head into tomorrow. This evening overall, it's going to be pretty mild. Temperatures in the 70s, increasing cloud cover, lows going to be the lower 60s and upper 50s in some areas. Looking into early tomorrow morning, we're tracking widespread rainfall across some areas. This is the timing primarily in the early morning hours, lasting until 8 a.m., continuing into the early afternoon hours, and heading into the evening, possibility of a few scattered showers. But once again, the primary threat is currently for the early morning hours. After that, Friday is looking dry with partly cloudy skies, temperatures in the 70s once again, and continuing into later on Friday, continuing into the mild conditions in the 50s for Saturday early morning. This is overall rainfall accumulation we're expecting so far. So overall today is going to be pretty dry. Head into tomorrow. This is the current track of the storms right now of the rainfall. Looking ahead towards an inch of possible accumulation across some areas. This track can change very quickly, moving over towards Oneida County, possibly towards the southern part of Otsego County, as well as southern Herkimer County. More updates coming up tonight at 10 and 11. Tonight, temperatures in the 50s, mostly cloudy skies. Going into tomorrow, rain in the early morning, mostly cloudy for the afternoon hours. Wind speeds a little bit breezy. Our 7-day forecast, once again, tomorrow is a Storm Tracker 2 alert day for the morning hours. We dry up on Friday, heading into the weekend, possibility of a few scattered showers Saturday, Sunday, and Monday. And coming up the next half hour, talking about how the pollen count will be lowered after this rainfall.
All right, Eric, thank you. After a dip in the cost of gas, meteorologist Eric Gage, so many people are complaining about allergies, but it's going to improve a little bit.
Yeah, just a little bit, especially with this rainfall we're expecting tomorrow. Looking at rainfall, looking at pollen levels going into the low category, the first time in a while. Heading into Thursday, low levels of pollen. Heading into Friday and Saturday, we're only giving the medium category. We're not looking to hit the high levels, at least for the next couple of days. So good news for the algae report, at least for this couple of days. A chance of rain outlook, this is what we're expecting. It goes right aligned up with what to expect for our pollen levels. Right see on here on Thursday, early morning hours, possibility of rain showers will slowly decrease as we head throughout the day. The heaviest rainfall, once again, is the early morning heading into Thursday. After that, Friday looks dry. Our chance of showers is low to none. Live look for battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler. Things are looking dry across region. Current temperature is 73 degrees. Very warm and very beautiful this evening. Will remain in the upper 60s to low 70s. Breaking down what to expect on Thursday coming up. Back over to you.
Dozens of gymnasts who were abused by former U.S.
New York's most dependable weather team. Here's meteorologist Eric Gage.
Good evening. Beautiful conditions across central New York today. Looking at partly cloudy skies with a low humidity and sunny conditions across the state. A live look outside. From radar camera overlooking Oneonta, still seeing some cloudy conditions, but overall, sun is peeking through a lot of the clouds, making a beautiful evening this evening. Live look at a Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. Things are looking dry across the region right now. Looking ahead towards tonight and tomorrow, things will change quickly, making a Storm Tracker 2 alert day for Thursday. But overall, for right now, current conditions are in the 60s in the North Country, 65 in Old Forge, 64 in Inlet, 67 over in West Leiden. Across the Mohawk Valley, 72 in New Hartford and Barneveld, 75 in Ilion, 71 in Mohawk, and 75 in Paynes Hollow. Across Southern Valleys, similar conditions, temperatures in the 70s and 60s, 68 in Cooperstown and Cassville, 70 in Evanston, 72 in Hartwick, 71 in Whitesboro and Eaton. This is the current information we have for tomorrow morning. What to expect for rainfall. So far, the amounts are going to be heavy, but we're not looking to exceed 1 inch per hour. We're not expecting any widespread flooding, at least. The primary concern right now is for the localized flooding in some areas with poor drainage. Current conditions right though, timing is from early morning to late morning. As we head into the afternoon, the heavier rainfall ends. Now looking ahead, this is why we're tracking some heavier rainfall for tomorrow. Basically, the current setup is we have a cold front that affected our weather yesterday that is moving out towards the east. However, we have another low pressure moving in from the south, heading up towards the northeast. Now, normally this would not be a concern. However, we have a high pressure up to the north. It will basically squeezing this like you take a washcloth and you fill it up with water and you squeeze it. That's what's going to be happening right over our area as we head into tomorrow morning. It will be rainy and it will be breezy as the low moves directly over our area. Now, because of that, the actual path of this could be changing just a little bit as we head into tonight and tomorrow. The current forecast right now, looking at mostly cloudy skies tonight, temperatures falling into the 60s and upper 50s. This is the current track right now. The heaviest rainfall is primarily out to the west, out in western part of Oneida County. This can quickly change and move further out to the east for now. But for right now, the heaviest rainfall is looking to be out of our area. We're expecting some decent rainfall. We're not expecting any sort of flash flooding issues for now. We had an issue an alert day just in case this path moves just slightly to the south. After that, scattered showers in the afternoon and evening hours, temperatures falling into the 50s. Cooler and head into Friday, dry conditions, temperatures in the 60s and 70s. A beautiful Friday before we return to possibility of additional rain showers heading into Saturday. It will be breezy heading into tomorrow early morning. Checking out wind gusts between 30 to 40 miles per hour, wind gusts across some areas, especially in higher elevations as we head into later on Thursday. After that, winds look to calm down as we head into Friday. Tonight, mostly cloudy, increasing clouds this evening. Tomorrow, rainfall in the early morning, head into the afternoon hours. Things look dry, mostly cloudy. A bit breezy tomorrow. Take a look at that. Some 7-day forecast. Things look dry for Friday. Temperatures in the 70s. Track possibly of additional rain showers heading into Saturday and Sunday. The higher chance of rain showers on Sunday and Monday. Be right back.
Time for a first look at the forecast with meteorologist Eric Gage.
We've been looking at temperatures in the 70s. A beautiful evening this evening with partly cloudy skies. We'll be tracking some rain showers as we head into early tomorrow morning. A live look at a Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. Things are looking dry across the region right now. Current temperature is 72 degrees, beautiful with low humidity. So current humidity is in the refreshing category with dew points in the lower 50s. Weather headlines. It'll be warm and dry this evening. Rain arrives early tomorrow morning, and because of the amount of rainfall, we are making tomorrow a Storm Tracker 2 alert day primarily just for the morning. Rain showers look to weaken as we head into the evening hours. This evening, though, temperatures in the upper 60s to lower 70s, and breaking down what to expect on Thursday coming up. Back over to you.
There are millions of Ukrainian people leaving their country. Dozens have begun arriving in the city of Utica, but not as refugees.
New York's most dependable weather team. Here's meteorologist Eric Gage.
Good evening. A comfortable and a beautiful day across central New York with low humidity and sunny skies. We're tracking increasing clouds. We head into this evening. A live look at our Cabby Tower camera overlooking the Mohawk Valley in the city of Utica. As you can see, slowly seeing some increasing cloud cover, mainly higher level clouds. This will continue as we head into tonight with increasing clouds, and we expect some rainfall as we head into early tomorrow morning. A live look at a Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. Things are looking dry across the region right now. We're expecting rainfall once again as we head into early Thursday morning. But overall, we will be dry heading into tonight. Scourge temperatures a bit mild across the region, especially in the North Country. 64 in Forestport and in Inlet, 65 in Old Forge, 67 in West Leiden, 72 in Barneveld and New Hartford, as well as 75 in Ilion and in Paynes Hollow. Across southern valleys, temperatures in the upper 60s to lower 70s, 68 in Cooperstown, Milford, and Cassville, with 69 in Sequoia and 70 in Edmondson. Tomorrow is a Storm Tracker 2 alert day. This is for widespread rainfall to occur during the morning commute, making your morning commute a little bit tricky. The problem is we have rainfall a bit heavy at times, and in poor drainage areas, possible flooding to arrive. Now, the good news is not going to be that severe for rainfall, but still something to keep an eye on as we head into early on tomorrow. So basically, why we issued this alert day is we have a cold front moving out of our area, and what this low pressure system out to the southwest is doing is it's going to be pushing up into our area. Now, normally it would be pushing up more towards Canada. However, we do have a high pressure in the north, kind of funneling this low pressure into our area and basically squeezing all the moisture out of the air as it heads right into our area. So it'll be rainy and it'll be breezy as the low pressure moves directly over our area. Now, the path of this can change slightly, bringing rainfall amounts just a little bit different as we head into tomorrow. Now, Skycast, temperatures in the 60s and 50s tonight, mostly cloudy skies. The big story is tomorrow. This is the current trend of the rainfall amounts right now. As it heads into our area, especially for the 8 o'clock early morning commute, most of the rainfall is looking to forecast out towards the west. Now, this can change and slightly move out to the east. Is why we have an alert day for tomorrow. Now, after that, the rainfall looks to weaken as we head into the afternoon and evening hours with dry conditions. Possibly have a few scattered showers, and clouds look to clear up as we head into Friday for a dry day on Friday. Once again, temperatures in the 60s and 70s for a beautiful day on Friday. Now, this is the current trend for rainfall amounts. Now, looking ahead towards a possible 1-inch accumulation, it's not expected to be a lot of accumulation in a short amount of time, but still a decent amount of rainfall that caused ponding in some roadways. Tonight, temperatures in the 50s and mostly cloudy skies, 60s in some areas as well. Tomorrow, heavy rain in the early morning. It'll be mostly cloudy as we head into the afternoon. A bit breezy, our 7-day forecast. We're looking at rain showers continuing into Saturday, Sunday, and Monday. Increasing conditions for rain, especially for Sunday and Monday. Increasing temperatures heading to the upper 70s by Tuesday and Wednesday. Over to you.
All right, Eric, thank you. Still to come here on News Channel.
Joining us. We're going to get to those stories in a minute, but we hope you enjoyed today's sunny weather, because just a few hours, rain moves in, enough to warrant a Storm Tracker 2 alert. Meteorologist Eric Gage joins us now, and he is tracking the latest in the Weather Center. Eric, good evening.
Good evening, Jason. Yes, we're tracking widespread rainfall heading into our area early tomorrow morning. Now, we're at the low end for alerts, but just keep in mind this could be making your morning commute a little bit tricky. Here's the information we have right now. We're tracking widespread rainfall, at least for the morning commute. Some areas could be seeing some heavy rainfall at times. It could be a possibility of some flooding issues in poor drainage areas. We're not looking ahead towards any severe flooding, but just keep that in mind for your morning commute. Live look at a Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. Here's the current position of the rainfall right now. It will be moving into our area. The timing later on this morning, heading into later on for tomorrow morning, I should say. Right now, the current temperature is 61 degrees. Currently, mostly cloudy conditions, especially for early tonight. Rainfall arrives early tomorrow morning. Scattered showers return ahead to tomorrow afternoon. Tonight, though, temperatures in the 50s. Breaking down where and when to expect the rainfall tomorrow coming up. Back over to you.
Eric, thank you. A traffic alert happening.
New York's most dependable weather team. Here's meteorologist Eric Gage.
Good evening and welcome back. Some new information on the rainfall happening tomorrow morning. First off, the current information we have right now is that most areas are going to expect rainfall around a little bit over 1/4 of an inch, some over an inch of rain. Now, rain starts between 3 and 4 a.m. heading into early tomorrow morning. The heaviest rainfall zones are still uncertain. I'll break down what we're tracking right now and what to expect for total ranges of where to expect the rainfall coming up in just a second. Live look at our Cavvy Tower camera. Things are looking dry across the region as well on our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. Things are looking dry in our area now. However, out to the southwest, we're tracking some rainfall. This actually did produce some tornadoes down in Ohio, some tornado warnings as well. Some damage, including that, but luckily we're not expecting any tornado threats in our area heading into tomorrow. Possibly a few rumbles of weak thunder. Around the clock tomorrow, temperatures are going to start out in the 50s, rise into the 60s. A pretty cool day tomorrow. Wind gusts are going to be on the higher side as a low pressure system moves directly over our area. And over our weather grades, it will continue to remain rainy, especially into the early morning before scattered showers remain heading into the evening hours. Radar and satellite, we are still looking at a low pressure system moving directly over our area. And this is why it's so challenging to forecast exactly where the highest rainfall amounts are going to be. We're still tracking some widespread rainfall. Now, the heaviest amounts are going to be tracking in some areas, especially either west or east of our viewing area for now. Now, looking ahead towards the rainfall and where to expect it, heading into our skycast. Now, tonight, mostly cloudy skies, temperatures in the 50s and 60s. However, heading into early tomorrow morning, this is the current track our skycast is showing. Heavier rainfall is still pushing out to the western part of our area now. So this can move slightly down to the southern valleys, bringing some widespread rainfall. Now that red zone can produce over an inch of rainfall accumulation. Now after that, scattered showers and conditions look to dry. Temperatures in the 60s and 70s we head into Friday, and overall dry conditions throughout the day on Friday. And looking ahead towards Saturday, additional rain showers are possible with light sprinkles. Now, this is the current rainfall accumulation forecast right now. The heaviest rainfall still is west of the central area of our viewing area, but this can move further out to the east depending on the rain track. Now, the highest rainfall amounts are still expected to be a little bit above an inch of rain. Tonight, mostly cloudy. Showers begin later on tonight. Tomorrow, rain showers in the morning. Mostly cloudy in the afternoon hours with some scattered showers as well. A bit breezy. Wind speeds in the 10 to 15 mile per hour range. Our 7-day forecast. Dry conditions as we head into Friday. Scattered showers are possible lightly on Saturday before additional rain showers move into our area heading into Sunday and Monday. I'll be right back.
Hope you enjoyed today's weather, because just a few hours, rain is moving in, enough to warrant a storm tracker. Meteorologist Eric Gage joins us now. And Eric, that system that hit Ohio that we just saw, is it coming our way?
Yeah, so the system is going to be heading our way, but thankfully it's looking to weaken. We're not expecting to see any sort of tornadoes or severe weather. The biggest threat right now is excessive rainfall. Take a look at our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. Things are looking pretty damp across the western part of not into our area just yet, but in the southeast you can see some rumbles of thunder as well. This area down here produced some widespread tornadoes, actually tornado warnings. One of them actually hit in some areas as well. Looking dry right now, but this will be moving into our area in the next couple of hours. So we did issue a Storm Tracker 2 alert day. It's on the level 1 of 3 if we give levels for alerts. Widespread rainfall for the morning commute. Could be heavy at times, and possible flooding issues in poor drainage areas. It's not expected to be a complete washout, but still keeping an eye on heavy rainfall. Right now it's currently 61 degrees. Pretty mild right now across central New York. Mostly cloudy early tonight. Rain arrives early tomorrow morning, the timing of which coming up. And scattered showers still return for tomorrow afternoon, making it a very rainy day. Tonight, though, temperatures falling into the 50s. Breaking down new information on what to expect for rainfall totals coming up. Back over to you, Jason.
Eric, thank you. New tonight.
New York's most dependable weather team. Here's meteorologist Eric Gage.
Good evening and welcome back. New information on what to expect for the rainfall for tomorrow morning. So the good news is most areas are going to see roughly around a quarter inch of rainfall. Some areas are going to see over an inch. You're not looking at widespread accumulations over 1 inch, but overall a pretty heavy rainfall, especially for the early morning hours, the timing of which right around 3 or 4 a.m. to start out. This will be lasting until the later morning hours. Now, the heaviest rainfall zones are still uncertain. We'll break down where to expect it coming up in the next couple of minutes. But overall, right now, looking ahead towards dry conditions across central New York right now on our Cavvy Tower camera, as well as our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. Things are looking dry in our region. However, out to the southwest, this is the big system causing widespread rainfall, tornado warnings, as well as an actual confirmed tornado. Saw a little bit earlier down in Ohio that is moving out to the south. All that severe weather is staying to the south of us. The possibility of a few rumbles of thunder are on the table, especially in the southeastern parts of our area heading into tomorrow morning. Around the clock, temperatures start out in the 50s, will rise into the lower and mid 60s throughout the afternoon, cool down throughout the afternoon hours and evening temperatures falling into the 60s by 6 o'clock. It will be gusty tomorrow, wind speeds between 10 to 15 miles per hour, sustained winds as well. Gusty winds and the possibility of reaching the 30 mile per hour range. And weather grades, starting out in the morning hours, the morning looks to be the heaviest of rainfall. Scattered showers will continue around some areas heading into the evening with mostly cloudy skies in other areas. The bigger picture, we're tracking the rainfall currently right now is part of a system that is getting squeezed into our area because of a high pressure system up north of us. This will be funneling a lot more heavier rainfall into our area for the time being heading into early tomorrow morning. This is the overall layout of where to expect the storms and weaker storms and heavier rainfall. So the current track right now is around 5 a.m. to 4 a.m. for the overall starting of the rainfall, and the heaviest rainfall is still out to the west. Now this area right here, this red, could produce accumulations of over an inch of rainfall, and this could move a little bit further south depending on where the track of the low is. Because the low is moving directly over our area, the actual area of heavier rainfall is still unlikely in some areas as well. After that, things look to dry out. Scattered showers by the early afternoon and evening hours look to be drying out as we head into Friday. Temperatures still going to be rising into the 70s with sunny skies, dry conditions compared to later on early tomorrow as well. So looking at our rainfall accumulations, overall, this is the current track of it. We're tracking possibly a few accumulations over an inch of rainfall. Some areas could see over a quarter inch of rain, but overall, this is the current track. This could move further down to the south. Tonight, low 56, mostly cloudy. Showers begin. Tomorrow, AM showers. It will be mostly cloudy in the afternoon with a few passing scattered showers. A bit breezy. Wind speeds between 15 to 20 miles per hour as well. Our 7-day forecast, dry conditions on Friday. Conditions return to possible rain showers on Saturday. Higher possibility of rain showers on Sunday and Monday. Temperatures rise in the 70s later on the week. Be right back.